How to buy Jordan and Trapstar on Pandabuy. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can buy Jordan or Trapstar on Pandabuy. So for that, just open your Pandabuy application in your smartphone. You can also find the products in your web browser, but I'm using the application right now. And after that, the simplest way to find the products is to go to the search bar and search with the exact name of the product that you are looking for, or you can also copy and paste the link of the particular product or the shop number or the shop link as per your liking. So first of all, just go to the search bar and here just search for Jordan. And now here you can see there are so many options to choose from. And likewise, you can also search for Trapstar while searching the Trapstar on your search bar. Now you can see there are so many options again. But the trap here is that there are different sellers who are selling the products on different rates. As you can see that some of them are selling it for different price and some of them are selling for lower and high-end prices. So how do you identify whether the products that you are going to buy are real one or the fake one? So the actual way and the legitimate way is to order the product closest looking to the original one, and once you receive the product, you just have to verify it at home whether the product is the actual one or not. This is the only way to check the product authenticity. So this is basically how you can find Jordan or Trapstar on Pandabuy or any other product that you want to buy from Pandabuy. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.